Hi there and welcome to MU Library's tutorials on exam supports. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to save your search results as well as organise and cite the information that you find when preparing and studying for exams this semester. So from the library website, I have selected a sample topic. We now want to save the first set of 3 articles that have appeared in the results section. So how are we going to do that? We're going to click on the small folder icon on the right-hand side of each article, and you will see that it automatically is highlighted in red and appears in this bigger folder over in the right-hand corner. This is a Refworks tool, and Refworks is a referencing management software that allows you to organise and cite your references. So we're going to select the big folder, and you will see the 3 articles that we selected appear here in a listed format. You will then see a prompt that says, "This is a temporary folder. Saved items appear after 2 hours of inactivity." In order to save these articles permanently, we'll want to set up a Refworks account. So we're going to select Export to and click on Refworks. You're then going to select Yes, export to the newest version of Refworks. If you do have a Refworks account set up already, you will see your credentials appear in the box. If you don't have a Refworks account, you are going to click on No Account Sign Up here, where you'll input your student email and a password. So in this tutorial, we're going to sign in and have a look at the Refworks platform. We're going to select Import as we have selected the 3 articles from the LibrarySearch catalogue, and you will see them appear in your Refworks account automatically. There are a few different tools that you can use in Refworks. Firstly, there is a sharing tool that allows you to set up a shared folder if you're doing group work or you're working with colleagues. You can also set up a folder for each of your exams or your assignments or your modules, which allows you to organise your references into individual folders. You can also set up tags that allows you to identify certain topics in your references. And you can also delete references. If you click on the various references that we have, you can create a bibliography that allows you to copy and paste from the clipboard into a Word document, which is extremely handy, and you can select an appropriate style. If you click on an individual journal article, you will see the bibliographic information on the right-hand side appear, and also a link to the article itself, which is extremely handy. There are lots of different tools to use in Refworks, and to explore them, you can click into Refworks YouTube channel, where you will find a variation of tutorials that allow you to engage and utilise the tools effectively. Finally, you can also add in your own references as well. You can upload from a document, import references from other reference management softwares, and create a new reference yourself. Don't forget to check out our Referencing and Avoiding Plagiarism guide, where you will find tons of information on referencing styles, other reference management software, and also examples of our different referencing styles.